Palisha ji, first of all, we welcome you in Sindhu Darshan program.
Thank you so much.
Palisha ji, when you started this towel designing business?
In June this year.
Palisha, who inspired you to do this towel designing business?
Well, on the entire thing, I've got the idea on my own. I have seen a few pieces, like normally you do get a few towels with a little flowery design. So I've thought, why not to give it a little different look at completely. So that's the reason why I've started doing this.
How many types of towel design you do?
Well, at the moment I do have around 22 designs which I've already tried and tested and people have liked it. But besides that, given any picture, whether it is a cartoon, a logo or a floral pattern, anything, I can definitely get it done on the towels.
So, do you have some artisans who help you?
Yes, I do have a small unit in which I have around 4 to 5 workmen who do the work for me.
Palisha, what are the main colors used in towel fabric?
Well, there is nothing as a main color. It is depending on the customer, on the demands of the customer. Mostly they do demand for whites, pinks, greens, blues, yellows. But on the whole, I can get any color at all that the customer wants.
But which colors are mostly prevalent actually?
White, that is one very liked color by the customers, whether it is for a lady, for a man, for a kid or even for a newborn baby. People do prefer white. The entire reason is because the logo or the cartoon character, being it a bright color, stands out on a white.
How many days are taken in designing a towel?
Well, it depends on the quantity, but on the whole I think in a day or two we should manage one. Like I have done a lot of orders, say in a week's time I can get 20 to 25 pieces done.
Palisha, there are many towels, bath towels, beach towel, full towel, hand towel, kitchen towel, paper towel, sweat towel, tea towel. So you are designing all the towels?
Well, at the moment what I'm doing is bath towels, hand towels, table napkins, then for bathroom napkins, pillow covers, bathrobes and such is, I've just started off right now with such things, but if the demand is there for any other kind of towel or napkin or even bed sheets, I would definitely do it.
Palisha, there are terry towels and Bombay dyeing towels, so how you will compete with these companies?
Well, what I am using right now is definitely Bombay dyeing, Trident and Wellspun. I do have normal Sholapur cotton towels also, but they are not very long lasting. It's just that they are a little cheaper than the normal quality that I use. So I am targeting all the masses, whether it be a middle class person who wants to go in for a low budget towel or a person who wants to use expensive towels. I have all the varieties. Secondly, if people want to gift the towels, they definitely prefer cheaper quality, not quality rather, but cheaper price towels. So I do have towels for all kind of people.
Palisha, barbers use steam towels to prepare the skin of shaving actually. So are you interested in that steam towels also?
No, because the entire work that I am doing on the towels is called as applique work. It is patchwork with name embroidered with machine. This thread now, definitely if I use a steam towel, it can cause the color to fade or come on the towel. There's bleeding of the thread. So I don't want to take a risk with that because I don't want to spoil my name.
Do you have any store or you are selling through your house?
Well, I'm definitely operating from home, but I do have a small karkhana where the production of the towels is being done. But yes, I do operate from home.
Palisha, what are your future plans regarding this business?
My future plans is definitely to continue and grow in this business. Yeah, I definitely want a lot of people to get the personalized towels for themselves because it is different. Towels are available everywhere. But this is something that you will be happy and say it's mine.
Palisha, what is the aim behind this towel business?
The aim behind this towel business is basically to have it personalized for yourself. As in your name matters more than anything. the cartoon or the logo on the towel is just complimentary, but the main aim behind the towel is to have your name or your company's name. It's basically the name is the aspect of the towel.
So what is the name of your company right now?
At the moment there is no name given to the company, but you can call it Palisha's Creation.
Palisha, you have made many designs on towels. So I think we should talk about these designs.
Sure, I can
Yeah.
show you a few samples that I have ready with me.
Yeah,
So here there is Piglet,
yeah,
which is a character of Winnie the Pooh.
yeah,
This is Winnie the Pooh.
yeah,
This is Mermaid.
yeah,
This is Superman logo.
Yeah.
Then we have Snow White,
yeah,
Tom and Jerry,
yeah.
Flintstones, Powerpuff Girls, Yin Yang, and Versace design. Besides that, I do have Mickey Mouse, Tweety, and many more characters.
So you tell about this yin yang. Yeah,
Yin Yang is basically a Chinese symbol.
Yeah.
It symbolizes power. This is positive and negative energy.
Yeah.
It's called as Shakti.
yeah.
So this is the entire.
So is
Meaning
this
of-
design popular?
It's not very popular, but yes, amongst the men, they definitely do prefer this design.
And I think children are interested in these cartoon characters.
Well, not only children, there are also adults who do like cartoon characters because they look cute. As in a few months back, I had made an order for Arshad Varsi, his son's birthday party. We had given return gifts as these towels. So I did make a Superman logo for Arshad Varsi himself.
This one.
Yeah, this on a white towel.
Okay. And you are putting your name, Palisha, like this. When you.
Whatever you want, whether you want the character's name,
Yeah.
or you want your company name,
Yeah.
or you want a special message written,
Yeah.
or you even want your own name. I mean, normally people do prefer their own names.
Yeah.
So that today when you go out, whether it is for a picnic or anything, your towel doesn't get mixed up and it is distinct from other towels.
Alisha, can we have Sindhu Darshan Infotainment written here on this towel?
Well, we can definitely have it written on a towel, but as you go to see, this is a hand towel. So we can definitely have Sindhu Darshan written, but the entire thing is a little too long to fit into it. And if I write it in a smaller alphabet, then it's not very visible. So we can definitely write it on a big towel. But if you want hand towels or napkins, we can definitely write Sindhu Darshan written on it.
Palisha, you are designing pillow covers also. So
Yes.
can you tell me about these pillow covers?
Yeah, sure. If it's targeting the children, then I have pillow covers like this with a Mickey Mouse on it.
Yeah.
Then I do also have a Tweety. This is basically for children to put in their rooms at night. You can use any plain bed sheet and you can use this pillow cover. Besides that, since it's the festive season of Diwali, I've also designed these pillow covers. This is it's in raw silk with tissue lace and zardozi. This is there, and then there are cushion covers also. I have also made a few diyas for Diwali. That's my hobby. I do that every year,
Yeah.
something different. So this time I have made diyas.
Yeah.
So you can have a look. These are with kundan work and zari
Yeah.
and mirror work and flowers.
Yeah. So these are big one. and
Yeah, these are big
small,
ones
small.
and these are small ones.
So okay. So how you are selling them means 6, 12?
You
or-
can buy one piece also. That's not a problem.
Okay.
One piece, or normally it's a set of 2,
Yeah.
but you can take any quantity that you desire.
So this you have started this year or you are
No,
doing-
I've been doing this as a hobby every year.
Every
Since the
year.
past, I don't even remember when. So I do diyas every year for Diwali especially.
So means these diyas are having good demands at the
Oh,
Diwali?
definitely yes, they have good demands.
Okay. Palisha, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Advani. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Palisha.